Hello, I hope your day is going well. Mine is just cruising along like a sea tortoise in the Pacific. Speaking of which, we're going to do a sea tortoise right here. We're going to do like a teardrop kind of shape. And then we're going to add on the particulars like his head. Put a shape there. Down here we're going to have some small rear flippers, probably about like this. And it's going to be kind of a tribal looking design. Here I made a few revisions, added some circles for eyes and nostrils, and accented this and repeated this arc to create the side fins, and then I add a little width to the tortoise, and then maybe finish off these a little bit more convincingly, like so. There, that's more balanced, I think. Then we'll add some outlining and color. Put one of these in here, put one of these in here. Oops. Pretty good. Clean up some of this rough stuff. We don't need that, we don't need that. And lighten this up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Bring me some color. Notice how that touches right there? Very close, and that touches right there. I cleaned everything up with my eraser, and ready to add some more surrounding lines and designs around this tortoise. Switch into another color. This guy's floating through the water, so we're going to give him a little bit of background color, some currents of ocean, like so. Double line, I like to do the double line thing. Let's see, where else would we see him? Let's go right here. Yeah, and then maybe, just maybe, some bubbles. Finish this guy off with some solid color, a really deep blue, and I think I'll do some blending as I go here. So we're going to go dark, and then into maybe a lighter blue. Let's see, what's the lighter blue going to be? Yeah, this guy. That works pretty well. Blending, blending, blending. We love blending. So, kids and teachers, make sure you subscribe and like, but almost more importantly, make some comments on my projects. Let me know how you like them. Let me know perhaps what else you might want to see me draw. Okay, so have the best of days. Keep drawing, and thanks for shopping the art room. Sea Tortoise, subscribe.